All right, good morning, guys. I forgot to hit the record button, but I'm working on cleaning this. There go the 4 screws. I took off the part. I'm finna go show it to you. You can see how I got the clean in there. See all that in there? That's part of my problem. Why the truck sometimes wants to cut off. And I started cleaning it already, as you can see. See all that gunk up in there? And see from the back side, that doesn't need cleaning. So I'm gonna clean this part, see if I can reuse it. If not, I'll just get a new one. But usually you can clean it and get more life out of it. So that can close. That flap's supposed to close. It's not closing because of all that gunk. Right now I'm using that wire brush and I'm using carburetor cleaner. Just got it AutoZone. You know, you get it anywhere, Walmart, Advance, all of them sell it. Okay, guys, out. All right, guys, I'm ready to basically get back to installing it. As you see, got that clean. See the part now? See how it looks on the inside now? All that black gunk gone. So yeah, so let's install this. All right. Put my glove back on. Hey, good morning. How you doing? Hey, Mr. Ditas, how you doing? Oh, you being bad? Uh-oh, he don't want to walk. All right, I torqued it so far. I pushed the screws up a little bit, just a little. I'm gonna hand tighten it with my ratchet, so I don't break nothing. I don't want to over torque it and crack stuff. Just let the impact wrench take out some of my twisting. And this was the original part. That's why you saw so much gunk. Remember, this is a 2005 Ford F-150. All right, guys. Just 3 more things to do. and this job is done. All I have to do now is put the breather, put this back on and plug it in. That goes there. Flathead screwdriver. Tighten up the clamp. Then I just plug my electricals back in. And that's basically this job. All right, guys, this job is complete. Okay, so it's back in, electrical in, the breather, and it's on. And here's the tools I use. Harbor Freight, flathead, 3/8 drive with a 1/4 inch 8mm. And look at that.